Hello dear student, today we are going to discuss about water microbiology. This is my first lecture on water microbiology. After watching this video, you will be able to learn that what is the importance of water microbiology, how we study water, how we perform tests to detect the pathogen in the water. So first of all, what is water microbiology? The study of microorganisms that live in the water or can be transported from one habitat to another by water. In this field of microbiology, we study those microbes that are found in water and the microbe that transported from one place to another by means of water. This is called water microbiology. Important aspect of water microbiology, particularly for drinking water, is the testing of water to ensure that it is safe to drink. In many countries, water microbiology is also the subject of legislation. Regulations specify how often water resources are sampled, how sampling is done, how the analysis will be performed, what microbes are detected, and the acceptable limit for the target microbe in the water. In the water, there must be a targeted microbe present. If this microbe exceeds from the normal, this water may be not useful for drinker. So, water microbiology study in water microbiology study microorganisms that are found in the waters. They transport from one place to another to the water sampling, water analysis, and we also study that which type of organism are found in water. Either these microorganisms are useful, they are harmful for the human being. Now, if we talk about the water can support the growth of many type of microorganisms. This can be advantageous or this can be harmful. For example, the chemical activity of certain strain of yeast provide us with beer and bread, as well as the growth of some bacteria in contaminated water can help digest the poison from the water. However, the presence of other disease-causing microbe in water is unhealthy and even life-threatening. There are many bacteria found in the water. For example, bacteria that live in the intestinal tract of human and other warm-blooded animals such as E. coli, Salmonella, Shigella, and Vibrio can contaminate the water if feces enter the water. Contamination of drinking water with a type of Escherichia coli known as O157H7 can be fatal. The contamination of municipal water supply of Walcarton, Ontario, Canada in the summer of 2000 by strain O157H7 sickened 2000 people and killed 7 people. Now, their viruses can also found in the water. Intestinal tract of warm-blooded animal also contain viruses that can contaminate water and cause diseases. For example, rotavirus, enteroviruses, coxsackievirus, etc. These can pollute the water. They actually from the intestinal tract they enter the water and contaminate. Now, another group of microbes of concern in water are protozoa. The two protozoa of most concern are Giardia and Cryptosporidium. Actually, they live normally in the intestinal tract of animals such as beaver and deer. Giardia and Cryptosporidium form dormant and hardy form called cyst during life cycle. During life cycle, they form a structure called cyst, and actually this cyst is resistant to chlorination, which is the most popular form of drinking water disinfection, and when they resist, they can pass through the filter used in the many water treatment plants. If this water containing this cyst, and you suppose if you take the water and water containing this above cyst, they will cause diarrhea in human and can be life threatening those people with impaired immune system. Cryptosporidium contamination of drinking water. Milwaukee, Wisconsin, within 1993 sickened more than 40,000 people and killed 47. Many microbes are found naturally in fresh and salt water. These include bacteria, cyanobacteria, protozoa, algae, and tiny animals such as rotifers. They can be important in the food chain that form the basis of life in the water. For example, the microbe called cyanobacteria convert energy of sun into the energy it needs to life. It is a source of energy for it is photosynthetic and source of energy for every animal. The plentiful member of these microbes in the turn are used as food for other life. The algae that thrive in the water is also important food source for other form of life. In the next lecture, we will discuss the sources of water, fresh water, aquatic microbiology, especially fresh water, marine water, and which type of microorganisms are found in these water. And we will also discuss the wastewater treatment, which is very important.